Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get public speaking skills. First, always know your audience. This helps you tailor your message for maximum impact. Next, structure your talk clearly with a strong introduction, main points, and a memorable conclusion. Finally, practice your delivery repeatedly. This builds confidence and ensures your timing is perfect, making your presentation smooth and engaging for everyone listening. Once you understand your audience, dive deep into your topic. Thorough research ensures you present accurate and insightful information. Craft compelling visuals that support your message without overwhelming it. Remember, they are aids, not distractions. Develop a powerful opening to grab attention and a strong closing to leave a lasting impression. These elements are crucial for a memorable speech.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, just like a well-prepared speech makes life easier, so does a well-prepared meal. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your fuel ready. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
When delivering your speech, engage your audience by making eye contact with different individuals. Vary your vocal pitch and pace to maintain interest and emphasize key points. Avoid a monotone delivery. Use purposeful gestures and confident body language to reinforce your message. These nonverbal cues can significantly enhance your presentation and connect you more deeply with listeners. It's natural to feel nervous, but you can manage it. Before you speak, try deep breathing exercises to calm your body and mind. Visualize yourself giving a successful, confident presentation. This positive mental rehearsal is powerful. Shift your focus from potential mistakes to the value of your message. Remember, your audience wants you to succeed and learn from you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.